Hi, friends. Today we are going to talk about how we can list the copy paste option. So imagine you want to do copy paste from options. I mean to say, suppose I want to copy this one and I want to keep it in this clipboard, and then I copy this one and keep it in the clipboard, and when I'm pasting I can pick from that clipboard list. So how can you do that? First of all, I was thinking it will not be possible. Then I found this easy way. First thing you have to go is go to start run, and here search, you would go for clipboard setting. Here you will see save multiple items to the clipboard to use later. So just make this as on. Okay, the moment you do this, now what you will do is, suppose I will do control C here. Okay, then I press control C again, then I press control C again, and then I press control C again. So now if I need to paste it again, okay, new paste. So if I go to notepad now, okay, so and this can be used in any application. So I go into notepad. Now what you have to do, there's a windows key. Okay, the windows key, and then you press control windows key and then press V, no control V. Okay, windows key and V. The moment you do that, you can find all these things. So suppose you want to choose this one as the debugger, so I'll just press this one. The same thing I can do this one, and I can choose this one. Okay, so in this way you can find it. This is very very useful. I think this is like a game changer for people who does control C control V, and we all do all the time, because code we copy paste code from here and there, we copy paste from Excel to SAP and other things, but this can be used across any other technology. So the magic thing is, first we go to clipboard settings, and first thing you do is make this switch on. Okay, then you don't need to do anything. After that, you control C a bunch of stuff like we did, and then what you have to do, you press the Windows key and press control and just press V. That's it. That will do the magic. So that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel, and happy SAP learning. And if you like it, share and subscribe to it, and have a great day.